This is going to be a video review of the ARMORALL Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. If you check out my channel, I've got a bunch of reviews on wheel cleaners. Almost all of them that I used were not 100% successful. I am going to go out to the car and we're going to try this out together. What I will say is I've got very old tires, very old wheels. I know that. They are pitted. They've got brake dust embedded in them. As I said, I did a lot of reviews on wheel cleaners, and mostly what I got back was a lot of people with comments saying I used the product wrong, I didn't use the product right, I didn't use a high-pressure washer, I didn't leave it on long enough. A lot of comments, a lot of excuses. Look, wheel cleaner, I want to be able to take it and spray it on there and get a clean wheel. As far as those comments about my reviews, everything the instructions said to do, I did. You might not have seen it all in the video, but I followed the directions for all the products. And really not that much success with removing most of the brake dust and damage. I don't need comments about I need to clean my wheels more often, or the wheels are ruined, I should buy better wheels, or I should buy newer wheels, or I just don't need comments like that. I'm doing this to help people out. So what does it say here? It says safe on all factory and aftermarket coated wheels, dissolves brake dust and road grime, which is what I bought it for, why I bought it. Directions: clean one wheel and tire at a time. Wear eye protection and rubber gloves. Wet, cool wheel with hose. Whole bottled 6 inches. That's 6 inches, not 5 inches, but 6 inches from the wheel and tire. Then completely saturate wheel and tire with cleaner. Allow foam to penetrate for 30 seconds. A lot of these others that I used wanted it on there for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Wipe with a soft, clean towel to prevent water spots. Repeat if necessary. The other products I used wanted a high-pressure sprayer, or just a bunch of other things they wanted done. So this is strictly spray it on and wipe it off. Do not use on wheels that are warm to the touch or on damaged wheels. Before use, test on an inconspicuous area. If hazing or spotting appears, discontinue use. Do not apply to brake parts or other zinc or cadmium plated surfaces. Safe on clear coated and factory painted wheels. Do not use on uncoated aluminum. Do not allow wash water to enter storm drains, streams, or lakes. Severe eye irritation. So does it say what this stuff is made out of? Probably not. Try waxing your wheels. It will minimize brake dust accumulation and make wheel cleaning easier next time. Well, that's true, but I'm never able to get my wheels clean enough so that I could wax and not have to worry about that problem. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. No, I'm not going to mail this thing in. What else does it say? Wheels under assault by grease. Formula dissolves grease, road grime, and other brake dust. Intense foaming action clings to wheel. Blanketing agent helps formula spread nicks and crannies. Safe for wheels and tires when used as directed. And okay, so that's all in Spanish on the right. Contains sodium metasilicate. I don't know what any of that is. Disposal empty. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this thing outside, and I'm going to spray this on the wheel. As you heard me say, wet wheel and spray 6 inches, and 30 seconds later, everything's going to be clean, and it's going to be a miracle. I guarantee you that is not going to happen. But we're going to test it out, this ARMORALL Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and give it a fair try. If you like my videos, please do a thumbs up, a subscribe, a like. If there's a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. If you want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. Thanks for watching. Here we go. Okay, here we are testing out the spray, the ARMORALL spray. The front wheel I used, you can see how bad the wheel is. I used lots of cleaners on here and hours of cleaning just to get it to this point. And so we can see that the finish is pretty much messed up and damaged, not smooth and shiny anymore. But this is the left front wheel. Now, I don't want to ruin my camera, so I'm not going to keep it here with the hose and the water while I spray this stuff on. But what I am going to do is show you all 4 wheels, and then we'll go back after I'm finished spraying it and hosing it off, and we'll see if it worked. So that's the left front. This is where it's extremely bad. This is the left rear. Totally gummed up, lots of brake dust. The wheels were moved from the front to the back, so that's the left rear. Here we have the right rear. Again, this wheel was on the front originally. It's extremely filthy. Let me zoom in so you can see there's lots of brake dust and grease and grime and dirt. And let's go to the last wheel. Is the right front wheel that was cleaned also about 6 months ago, and it's starting to grime up, lots of brake dust on there. Not as bad as the left front. So the spray nozzle has an off setting, a spray setting, and a stream setting. I'm just going to spray this stuff on, and as I said, I'm going to turn this camera off and get it out of the way. I'm going to spray all the wheels, doing one at a time, and waiting 30 seconds like it says, and then, whew. You know, if it works, I will be happy, because these wheels are a nightmare to clean. But my experience so far, everything I put on here, all brake dust sprays, all degreasers, nothing seems to work. So it is thoroughly covered. I don't see any grease running down. I don't see any brake dust dripping off. Maybe a little bit down on the bottom over there. But that's the whole point of doing this. So I'm hoping it's going to work, but I'm not expecting it to. So if it does, it will be a very good thing. And I know they say do one at a time, because you don't want this stuff to dry. That's the worst thing to do. I will ignore the instructions and spray the back wheel so I can get in here and see what's going to happen. Keeping this stuff on for another minute is not going to make a difference. I still don't see anything dripping off. You're not supposed to. They say you can put this on the tires. I still don't see anything dripping off. So I'll keep it on a little bit, and I'm going to go to the other 2 tires, and I'll be back in a couple minutes. We have the front left wheel that was probably the cleanest originally, and there's absolutely no difference with the dirt or brake dust that's on there. Here we have the second wheel, the left rear. Brake dust still there, absolutely filthy. The product did nothing to it. Now remember, it says spray it on there, leave it on there for 30 seconds and hose it off. Even when I used a little brush to scrub, it did nothing. The third wheel, this is the right rear. Again, this was a dirty wheel with lots of brake dust. Still absolutely filthy. It did nothing at all. Here's the final wheel, the fourth wheel, that was probably the second cleanest. This is on the front, and it is still absolutely filthy. Let me zoom in. Even with the it didn't even clean the plastic center over there. It did nothing to the tire. You don't see the tire looking shiny or clean, even though they said it's a tire cleaner. So this is going to conclude the review of the ARMORALL Extreme Wheel and Tire Cleaner. A total waste of money. They do offer a money-back guarantee. I'm not even going to mess with it. I think the thing cost me about $5, and that's $5 down the drain. Hopefully it will educate enough people watching this video that this product just does not work. At least it didn't do a thing for my 4 tires. Didn't remove any brake dust, didn't take any dirt off. No dirt dripped down the wheel, no dirt dripped down the driveway. So this item does not do what it claims to do. It does not clean the wheel, and it does not clean the tire. Hopefully this helped you out and saved you some money. Please, again, thumbs up, subscribe, or a like if you want to donate to my channel to help me out for when I buy stuff like this, and to help everyone else out. Ask for my PayPal info. And if you have a product you want me to review, if I can get a hold of it, I will do the review. Thanks for watching.